What is cognitive alignment and how does it transform leadership and decision making?
I do the cognitive alignment basically allows you to align your observation, allows you to anchor yourself to observation and actually resist getting sucked up by whatever meaning pops up and allow you to explore which meaning you want to define. A lot of people will go to workshops, and my workshop is like everything else, produces the similar effects, except there's one difference. Most people will go to a workshop and have a cathartic experience that dies out when they leave the workshop. They'll carry it for a little while and then they fall apart. And that the real problem is not that they actually went to the workshop and got meaning, they are not able to actually sustain it. And the only difference in cognitive workshop is that at every point, the participants are taught how to create it for themselves. They are not given the answers. They create it. And then when they create it, they're able to create it wherever they go.
Could I ask you, if you had to go back and give your younger self a piece of advice, what would it be?